If you see this banner at the top that says mandatory 2FA enrollment required, that simply means two-factor authentication. And all that is when you try to log into the Kajabi website using your username and password, this feature will send a text message to your phone with a special code that allows you to log in, but prevents anybody else who might know your username and password from logging in instead of you. So the way to set this up is to click on Enable 2FA Now, and notice that takes us to Settings, Sign In, and Security. So of course you could find that down here in the normal settings area, under your account area, Sign In and Security. So you can find the 2FA features here. So again, we're looking for this right here, two-factor authentication. I'll click on Setup 2FA. It tells me I have to first log out to do this. So I'll click on Log Out and Continue. Now I'll type my normal credentials to sign in. And the banner at the top says my account requires mandatory enrollment, and it's giving me these options. I could use a standalone application like Google Authenticator, or I can use SMS. I'm going to choose this because it's the easiest. It'll send me a text message. It asks me for my phone number. I'll click on Continue to confirm. Now it says it's sending me a confirmation code, and this is a very similar experience you'll have when you're trying to log in every time. So I'll type in my code here and click on Continue. And now it provides me with a recovery code that I should keep somewhere safe if I ever need to sign in without my phone. So obviously you'll want to copy and paste and save that in a location where you can easily find it in the future. And once I've done that, I'll click on this checkbox to say that I've safely recorded my code and click on Sign In. And now, just like I said, if I click on Log Out and then provide my username and password to log in again, when I click on Sign In, it's going to go through this process again where it sends me a code to my cell phone. And now I type in that code and I have the option to click this checkbox to remember this device for 30 days. That's a matter of convenience. I'll click on Continue, and now I've logged in as normal. So like I said, that's just an extra security feature that will prevent bad actors from logging in if they get your username and password.